If you are a Pisces or know somebody who is a Pisces, then this fluid art painting is for you. Starting this month and for the next 11 months after, I'm going to be creating fluid art paintings based on your astrological sign. And I'm going to begin with Pisces. Pisces could be a little sensitive, so I'm going to go easy on you all, okay? Let's get started.
Alright, Pisces. I'm going to go ahead and layer down my base paint first. Alright, now Pisces are very interesting. They're very sensitive. Dreamers, they're very creative. Love being in the water. And the colors that I've chosen for a Pisces are light greens, different shades of green, and hints of purple. The first color that I laid down was my green gold iridescent. All my colors will be in the description. And this is my own cell activator that I made, which I will have up really soon. Alright, I'm adding that iridescent because I want that to spread all over the colors as soon as I swipe. And there's my swipe tool. And I'm going to use 3 different colored cell activators. I'm going to use my Arctic White, and then my Electric Yellow, and then I'm going to use my Cosmic Black. Pisces do not know how to say no to people. And a lot of times they may come off as being flaky, but they don't want to hurt anybody's feelings, so they just can't say no. Instead, they'll just kind of fade if they don't want to show up to an event or do anything, but a lot of them are very introverted. Not all of them, not everybody who's a Pisces is going to fall under all these characteristics. But since Pisces love being in the water, I thought I'd make this painting kind of soothing, using soothing colors. And I want it to kind of look like fish scales, because that is the sign for a Pisces, is fish scales. I'm going to go ahead and add another layer in the same order. Pisces avoid conflict at all costs. They're very passive. A lot going through their mind, but they're passive, and if there is conflict, they're just going to swim somewhere else. Also, when it comes to horoscopes, I really just look at the personalities. I don't know the risings and all that other stuff, but knowing somebody's sign helps me understand them better and helps me relate to them and figure out how to talk to them. This next swipe actually turns out really, really cool. And there is my light greens. I also got a silver. The one that looks white right now is the iridescent, which will clear as iridescent once it dries. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and do another swipe. Going across, I'm going to put my cell activators in the same order. That electric yellow is pretty dense, and that's why it's great to use as a cell activator. And remember, we're going to swipe nice and slow. There is no rush at all. Yeah, and I could see this definitely going to turn out looking like the fish scales that I attempted to do. And now a Pisces, they have a lot of feelings, they just do not communicate them with you unless they're really comfortable. They have to know you very well. You have to establish a relationship before they are comfortable opening up to you. And if they do, you better be sensitive to their feelings. Because they are sensitive, even though they will tell you they're not. And I think it's finally time to tilt. Always remember to try to make as much space as possible. This is a 20 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to have all of this, including the recipe, in the description of this video. Alright, now we're going to tilt nice and slow, corner to corner. Excuse my lighting in this video. I'm still working on that, trying to get things right. It's really difficult, actually. And so far as this is spreading, I know that this is probably going to be one of my favorites. These are also my favorite colors. I'm not going to tell you my sign yet, but when I get to it, in however many months, I will let you know. And again, you want to tilt nice and slow. Don't stress out about the corners. You can always just go back and touch those up. Pisces tend to be very artistic people as well, very creative. So if you are Pisces and you are watching this video, I really hope that you love it as much as I do. Pisces is actually the oldest of all the signs. So first starts Aries. Technically I should have started next month, but I decided to start this month with Pisces because I could not wait to get started. And I will be doing this once a month. Next month will be Aries. And boy, that one is going to be a lot, because Aries could be a lot. A lot of times Pisces, they can come off very abrasive in how they talk to you. Now whether they mean it or not, I don't know. But if you do encounter a Pisces and they come off as abrasive, take it with a grain of salt. Chances are they don't mean it how they said it. Pisces tend to get along with Scorpios, Cancers, other water signs. And I think I'm going to tilt just a little bit more, because I want that right side to spread just a little bit more. Nice and slow. I gotta say, with this painting, I did not struggle to tilt. And here is the finished, dried result. I gotta say, I absolutely love this painting. I think it turned out really cool. And yeah, I would say it does look like the fish scales that I intended to do. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. Any questions, comments, feedback? Please post it in the comment section and I will get back to you. Until next time, bye!